Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make photo video in Instagram Reels. So all you have to do right now is you can create Reels from this plus icon. You can tap it. You can choose material from here. You can tap or you can hold the photo and then tap next. So you can skip this part or you can search music manually here and synchronize the audio here, and you can tap next, processing the video, and you can swipe up to edit. Here you can add audio again, you can add stickers, voiceover, you can adjust the volume, you can choose the transition here. So please feel to try to make your own reel for your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click next button below. See you in the next video.